Ever wonder how airlines keep track of millions of bags zipping around the globe? It's a high-tech operation that relies on sophisticated systems to ensure your luggage, hopefully, arrives when you do. One of the key players in this intricate dance is the RFID tag. These tiny tags, attached to your luggage at check-in, are like little digital passports for your bags. They use radio waves to communicate with scanners throughout the airport, allowing airlines to track your bag's journey every step of the way. Think of it like air traffic control for your luggage. In addition to RFID, airlines use sophisticated baggage reconciliation systems, or BRS. These systems act like giant digital organizers, keeping tabs on every piece of luggage loaded and unloaded from each flight. BRS helps airlines quickly identify and locate mishandled bags, speeding up the recovery process. So, while it might not feel like it when you're staring at an empty carousel, there's a lot happening behind the scenes to get your bag back to you. Gone are the days of anxiously waiting by the phone for updates on your delayed baggage. Thanks to technology, you can now track your luggage's whereabouts in real time. Most airlines offer mobile apps that not only allow you to check in and manage your flights, but also provide up-to-date information on your checked baggage. These apps utilize the power of RFID technology, giving you peace of mind by showing you exactly where your bag is at any given moment. No more guessing games. But the tracking power doesn't stop there. Smart luggage tags like Apple AirTags, Tile Trackers, and Samsung Smart Tags take tracking to the next level. These handy devices attach to your luggage and use Bluetooth or GPS technology to pinpoint your bag's location on a map. You can even set up alerts to notify you if your bag moves outside a designated area. Talk about peace of mind. Finding your way back. Steps to recover your delayed baggage. So, your luggage is delayed. What now? Don't panic. While it's frustrating, there are steps you can take to expedite the recovery process. First and foremost, report the delay immediately at the airline's baggage claim office. Time is of the essence, so don't delay. Provide the agent with your baggage claim tag number and a detailed description of your bag. This information is crucial for the airline to locate your luggage efficiently. Make sure to provide accurate contact information, including your phone number and email address, so the airline can reach you with updates. Once you've filed a report, inquire about delivery options for your recovered baggage. Some airlines offer to deliver your bag directly to your hotel or residence, saving you the hassle of returning to the airport. Be persistent with your follow-ups. Call the airline regularly to check on the status of your claim, and don't hesitate to ask for updates. Your rights and resources. Compensation and insurance. Delayed baggage can throw a wrench into your travel plans, but it's important to know your rights. Airlines are responsible for your luggage and are obligated to make reasonable efforts to reunite you with your belongings. In the unfortunate event that your luggage is delayed for an extended period, you may be entitled to compensation. Check your airline's contract of carriage for specific details on baggage delay compensation. This document outlines your rights as a passenger, including reimbursement for essential items you need to purchase while your bag is delayed. Speaking of expenses, travel insurance can be a lifesaver in these situations. If you purchase travel insurance, contact your provider as soon as possible to file a claim for baggage delay. Travel insurance can help cover the cost of essential items, such as toiletries and clothing, that you need while you wait for your luggage to arrive. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your rights and resources can make all the difference in navigating the world of delayed baggage. Share your story, help a fellow traveler. Have you ever experienced the frustration of delayed baggage? We'd love to hear your story. Sharing your experiences, tips, and tricks can help fellow travelers navigate the often confusing world of lost luggage. Did you discover a hidden gem of an app or a foolproof method for tracking down your bags? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Your insights could be just what someone needs to turn their travel frown upside down. Remember, we're all in this together. By sharing our stories and supporting each other, we can make travel a little less stressful and a lot more enjoyable for everyone. So, don't be shy, share your baggage delay saga, and help us build a community of savvy travelers. Keep exploring more travel tips and resources. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to travel tips and tricks. The world of travel is vast and ever-changing, and there's always something new to learn. From packing hacks to navigating airport security, we've got you covered. Check out our website for more informative and engaging articles on all things travel. We're passionate about helping you make the most of your adventures, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep traveling.